Hey guys, Kelly here with 1776 Firearms. Had this Mauser 1910 come through the store, so I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart for cleaning. It's a Mauser 6.35 millimeter. It translates to 25 ACP. Neat little old pistol. Alright, so before we get started, we want to make sure it's pointing in a safe direction. Why do we do safe direction? Because if it were to accidentally go off, we don't want it to negatively affect us or one of our loved ones. It's pointing in a safe direction. Next, we're going to make sure that it is unloaded. And most pistols, this is your magazine release right here, but in this one, it's at the bottom. Okay, so you're going to push that over, slide the magazine out, nothing in it. Next, we're going to lock back this slide, and there is nothing in there. I don't know how well you can see in there, but I can see in there just fine. All right, so unloaded pistol. Next, this locking rod right here. We're going to take this out. To do that, there's a button right at the base right there. We're going to push that in, twist the rod counterclockwise, and then it's going to slide out. Okay, it's out. Bam. Next, you can remove the barrel. That just comes right out. You just lift it out, and there's your barrel. Okay, so the slide on this will not come forward unless you put the magazine in. Once you put the magazine in, the slide comes forward. That's the only way to get the slide to go forward once it's locked back. So when it does that, make sure you catch it because that slide's gonna, there's springs in there, so you don't want it going crazy. Okay, so it shot the slide forward. Now it won't come off unless we take the magazine back out. Magazine out. Slide's going to come forward. There's your slide. Here's your spring and your guide rod. And then there goes a spring. There's your firing pin and your spring. Okay, so it's a good idea to keep these springs with the rods and the firing pin that is on it, and then clean it and then put it right back together so you don't forget how it goes back together and what it goes with. But there it is. You got everything taken apart. You don't need to take apart any further in this, but there is. This whole gun breaks down pretty easily, so it's pretty neat. But this is all you got to do to clean it. So to put it back together, we're going to put the firing pin back in there. It goes in the back. Guide rod with the spring is going to go right down in here in the frame. Okay, now we're going to slide the slide along the rails. And then once you do this, you're going to want to make sure this spring goes into that channel. And then your spring back here goes into that channel. All right, and bring it back till it locks. All right, so now it's on and locked. You're gonna put your barrel back in, put your locking bar in there, and twist, and then you're gonna have to push this button in again, and then it's locked in, okay? Then, when you put in your magazine, you're ready to go. That's it, guys. Quick and easy. Hope this video helped. You guys have a great one, and I'll see you next time.